Is your home an asset or a liability? If you believe your house is your biggest asset, then you need to rethink that. Because in reality, it may be your biggest expense. Let me explain. Every month, money leaves your pocket. Mortgage, property taxes, maintenance, insurance. That's not income. That's outflow. A true asset puts money in your pocket, not take money out. Your home gives you shelter, but it doesn't generate any income. This is where most people get stuck. They lock large portion their money into a house that produces nothing. No income, no cash flow, just expenses. Meanwhile, the wealthy think differently. They buy assets first, assets that generate income every month. Rental properties, businesses, index funds. These assets pay them, whether they work or not. Then, they use that income to buy their home. That's the difference. The middle class buys liabilities first and hopes they become assets. The wealthy buy assets first and let them fund their lifestyle. Your home can become an asset, but only when it produces income. Until then, it's a place to live, not a machine that builds wealth. Welcome to the Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.